Custom alerts. I've got a DaVinci Resolve file free for you so that you can make sure that you can customize them the way you want them, colors and all. Let's get started. Before we get into the video, I just want to go ahead and say thank you for stopping by and checking out this content. If you're new to the channel, my name's Cyrus, and we talk about how to improve your streaming experience, not only for you, but also for your viewers. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to provide all of the files that you see in this video for free. And yeah, that's a pretty common theme around here. Make sure you like and subscribe as well as ring the bell for notifications so that you don't miss a single video that I put out. Also, check me out on Twitch. I stream 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Also, join the Discord. The link for that is in the description below. That's where you're going to find all of these files as well as the source files so that you can make sure you customize the alerts that fit your stream. Let's get into it. Okay, I want to make sure I give credit where credit is due. Sam Woodhall over on his channel, I'll link that in the description, actually already did a video explaining how to do these custom in Blackmagic Fusion for DaVinci Resolve and did a fantastic job of it. He didn't provide any of those original source files, which is what I'm here to do today for you. So I'm going to give you the source file that includes all of the alerts so that you can have full customization, but make sure you go check out his channel if you want to be able to make these on your own or see the process and how I created all of these that I'm providing for you. So without further ado, let's go jump over into DaVinci Resolve and I'm going to show you how to customize them so that you can put them into your channel. Let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to join the Discord channel. And what you're going to do is when you join, make sure you click the check mark in the server rules to be able to accept all those rules and get access to the Discord. But once you're there, go down to the streamers corner and under free designs, you're going to see the latest post, which talks about free Twitch alerts. You're also going to see a Dropbox link. Make sure you click that and it's going to open up a link that includes all of the WEBM files that you can use for your alerts that are already in white. If I click on them and hit play, you'll see like this one right here is the cheer emote that should play. And so there's the cheer emote and it just goes and plays for 6 seconds. But also in this file is the Twitch alert DaVinci Resolve folder so that you can do all this editing. So make sure you download this folder. Next, you're going to want to make sure you download DaVinci Resolve itself to be able to do this editing. Make sure you click download and install it on any of the operating systems that are here. I'll put a link for this website in the description below. Next, if you want to do any of the editing, you need to pull over the DaVinci Resolve window after you've opened it, and you can just click open in the bottom right corner, and it's going to take you to their timeline view. To import that file, you're going to click File, Import Project, and you're going to choose Twitch Alerts DaVinci Resolve. And when you do, you're going to give it a title of a name. You'll click OK. And from there, it's going to populate everything that I've already pre-created for you so that you can do all of the editing. So for example, we have the subscriber alert, follower, cheer, donation, the raid, host, merch, and tip. Now to edit these, make sure you double click the one you're wanting to edit. And when you do that, it'll put a check mark above that. And then click Fusion, and it's going to take you to this part of the editor. The two things you're going to edit are the background one on the left, as well as text one. So right now, this is what the alert looks like for the subscriber. If I choose the background, I can change that color. As you see, it's going to change that bar at the bottom. Let's just say I want to make it a nice blue. And I want the text to possibly be maybe a gray. Let's just say a variation of a gray. Let's go ahead and click OK. So when I stop, let's go ahead and start this one back over. As you can see, it's going ahead and playing it with that. Actually, gray might not be the best place. Let's do white. And so what we'll do is leave it as white. We'll restart this overlay. As you can see, it as a blue bar pops down the subscriber. So if you like that, and that's where you're wanting to use, you're going to go to the deliver page, which is in the bottom right, and it's going to take you to this part of the screen. You have to export this specifically in a way that puts it as an alpha channel behind. So we're going to go and select individual clips, QuickTime, GoPro Cineform, and then RGB 16-bit, as well as render at source resolution. And you must also click export alpha with pre-multiplied. Now, if you're on Mac, I think you actually choose QuickTime and then QuickTime Movie, and then make sure you click Export Alpha. But on Windows, these are the settings you're going to go for. QuickTime, GoPro Cineform, RGB 16-bit, render at source resolution, export alpha. Once it's in the render queue, you can add up all of your alerts and then click start render. Once it's rendered out, it's going to put it into a folder that you've predefined earlier in the exporting process, but it's not in a format that we can actually use and export from. So now I have to take this video and stick it over into a converter to put it into a WEBM format so that you can use it as an alert. So let's go do that. All right, so here's the website we're going to use. It's called aconvert.com. We're going to choose file and we're going to navigate to that alert, and we're going to upload that alert and convert it to a WEBM. And I'll be right back once it's done converting. All right, now that it's exported, you're going to click the output file and it's going to open a new tab that has the WebM playing right here. And as you can see, it's playing the subscriber file. What I'll do is right click, save video as, and I'm going to name this subscriber blue background. And now that I have it as a WebM format, it can go into any of the alert programs as an animated alert. And that's it. I hope this was helpful and an easy way for you to get alerts that you can customize through Blackmagic and DaVinci Resolve, which is completely free to download and free to use. I've tried to make it as easy as possible, so make sure you go jump in there and do that. If you liked it, make sure you throw a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, as well as ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss any of the videos. Again, I stream on Twitch 3 days a week and would love for you to stop by on Monday, Wednesday, Friday and just hang out and chat. Again, if you haven't missed this already, jump down in Discord so that you can find the files as well as come be a part of the Darkness community. I'm Cyrus and welcome to the Darkness. We'll catch you next time.